Why didn't everyone get over it? No one was worried about me. It turns out I was the most worried.
Yes.
Everyone says, yeah, it was easy for you there. My arm still hasn't recovered.
If Devon Larratt does this one mistake against Vitaly, he is going to lose once again. Hello arm wrestling fans, let's discuss some details about the Devon vs Vitaly match, then Hermes Gasparini's prediction of this match, and finally Michael Todd versus Oleg Petrenko. Is this match going to happen? Devon talked about his mindset going into this Vitaly match. He knows that his post needs to be really strong. It needs to be really awesome for Vitaly unless he is a flop presser, which he isn't. That's why posting is going to be everything. He realizes that both of them are really hard to hook. That's why he'll be surprised if someone can hook the other fresh for fresh in round 1. But unlike a round 1 hook, both have the option to start with a flop press. When Devon went into the flop in an arm break position in the left arm match, it's probably not the most ideal thing to do, but he did it to win the world title. That match was really important to him, and this match is going to be even more important, so you can bet that Devon is going there in a flop in an arm break position if that is what's required to defeat Vitaly. I think it's gonna be the match of my life. I don't think that there's any easy way about it. Devon knows that if he defeats Vitaly, he will get his third chance against Levan, and that is probably going to be his final chance. But if he loses to Vitaly, there is no third Levan match. We saw in the left arm match that even before the ready go, Devon was dropping his body weight. He was completely separated from his arm. That's the way he sometimes arm wrestles on the right arm too. And if he does that against Vitaly, he is going to lose, because from that open arm position, you don't have any side pressure. And at that moment, no matter how strong Devon's pronation and his hand is, no matter how much he takes Vitaly's hand, Vitaly will still have enough side pressure to completely open up Devon's arm sideways and then hit him with a flop press. And then Devon's arm is going to go down. And maybe Devon knows that. That's why he keeps on uploading those shoulder press training videos with bands and stuff. He is working on his side pressure so that he doesn't get separated at the go. If Devon wants to win this match, he needs to keep his angle tight like he did against Denis Siplenkov and Hermes Gasparini. Hermes Gasparini has predicted Vitaly to win 4-0 against Devon Larratt. No, he was just joking. He believes Devon is about 65 to 70% favorite to win this match. Hermes has said many times that when he pulled Devon on left and right, he felt a big gap. And Devon also said, as we discussed in the previous video, that his right is 5-6 years ahead of his left arm. Hermes said that there is a possibility that Vitaly is really strong now. He has really improved since the last time he faced Vitaly and defeated him. But it's difficult to believe that the gap can be that much from that time. And the gap needs to be that much if he wants to defeat Devon. Vitaly has strong side pressure, but Hermes believes that his wrist is not that strong. And he doesn't have a press like Kamil to finish the match against Devon. Devon was talking about Oleg Petrenko potentially getting a visa and him versus Michael Todd being a good match at 105 kilos. I don't think Michael is directly going to go down to 105 kilos, but this match can happen in the 115 kg division. Michael has already announced that he will be cutting weight for his upcoming match, and Petrenko has announced that he would like to go higher. He would like to compete in the 115 kg. And Devon keeps on talking about Michael Todd being a champion in the lower weight categories. It's not like Michael can go down and be the champion whenever he wants. When he cut to 105 kilos, Ongarbayev beat him. And Ongarbayev is not even close to Oleg Petrenko. So I think Michael can be more dangerous in the 115 kg division compared to the 105.